I'm not patient as fast, how the blue faces gon' fly to me. You buy the designer, but I know you niggas ain't fly to me.
What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Katie, and I'm back with a video. I know I've been gone for a minute, but I got a video for y'all today. As y'all can see from the title of this video, I'm finna teach y'all how to cut a high top fade. That's what I got right now. No more waves, you know what I'm saying? I'm finna dread up the top of my head, so I'm going the top out. So today I'm finna teach y'all how to cut, you know what I'm saying, the fade on the side. You ain't gotta go to the barber shop, you know what I'm saying? You just get you some clippers, you know what I'm saying? Do it yourself. So stay tuned, that's enough talking, let's get into this video. Alright, so the first thing you wanna do is take your Slimline Pros if you got them. Or if you don't got Slimline Pros, just take your liners to make this initial guideline. So you basically want to make a line, take the clippers and make a line where you want your fade to end, like the beginning of the fade. If you want it low, start down here, medium, like right there, high, you know what I'm saying, you up there. I'm gonna do a medium fade, so let's get into it. All you do is just go around your head and make this line. So I'm finna get in the mirror, and then I'm gonna be back after. You know what I'm saying? I do the whole line. Alright, so we back. As you can see, I made that first initial guideline with these. Now I'm gonna take the actual clippers. The clippers that I'm using is the Wall Magic clips. This is a very efficient clipper. Great price, great quality. You got a nice weight and everything. So if you want to get this, you know what I'm saying, I might put a link in the description where you can find it at. But if it's not there, you can just find it at your local beauty supply store or something. But yeah, so now the next step is opening your clippers all the way. So this is closed. This is closed. This is open. Closed, open. So you want to open your clippers and you want to go up, flick up like a 1/4 inch to make your second line. So I'm gonna show y'all. Flick up. You don't want to like dig in your hair because you don't want to make the line too harsh. You want to like flick out. So you just do that all the way around. And I'm finna do that and I'm gonna be back. You feel me? Alright, so this is how it looks all the way around. Now the next thing you want to do is take your clippers, close them up, and now you want to flick out this bottom line, that bald line. You want to flick it out with the lever closed. So basically just pull the skin down and just flick. Use the don't be afraid to use the corner of the blade. You know what I'm saying? It helps like flick it out. Just remember to flick out. Don't dig in. So I'm gonna do the rest of the head and I'll be back. Alright, so after you do that, you fade out that ball line. You wanna take your #1 guard. Y'all can see that. Wall clippers, #1 guard. Put it on and open your clippers. Now you wanna go up another 1/2 inch to make your line. So I'm gonna show y'all. Just flick out. Nice little fast, short strokes. And then don't forget to always brush so you can see what's happening with the hair. You know what I'm saying? And then just go all the way around. Alright, after you do that, now you would just go with the clipper closed and just fade in between that line that you just made and the line that was under it to blend it in more and debulk. So just go in and just flick it out like that. Brush it down. Continue to fade. You want to keep everything consistent. So I'm gonna go around the whole head, blend it up. Let's get it. Alright, so after that, you want to take your 1/16 guard. I can see that, y'all probably can't. 1/16 guard. Clamp it on. Level closed. And you just want to continue to fade, like right in this area, like to the bottom of the fade. Brush it down. Just continue to fade it like that. And just go all the way around. Alright, so basically, this is how the fade looking right now. Now you can just go back in and just do any detail work that you need, see, to get the fade how you want it. It's all about like playing with the levers and then just, you know what I'm saying, getting everything consistent. Another step you want to do is take your one, this is 1.5 guard, open, just to like debulk up here a little bit and like flake out. Just to get it more of a smooth transition. Turning the clippers around and go down with it, you feel me? To the debulk. Alright, next part is the lining. So what I like to do is brush down any little baby hairs, you know what I'm saying, in front of the line. And then basically put on my number 1 guard and just trim it down, just to get that lining real sharp in the front. A product that I like to use is this right here, the Spritz by Dynasty Cut. Shout out to them. I had found them online and saw that they had like good promotion videos, and I just tried it out. So I'm finna spray this on my lining to lay down the hairs to make it stick. So gotta go blow dry. Be back. Alright, bet I blow dried it. Let me throw my glasses on so I can see. Yeah. Okay. Can't have no crooked lining. Alright, bet. So for the lining I'm using, you know what I'm saying, a classic, you know what I'm saying, and this TI liners, feel me? So it's simple with the liner. All you wanna do is make it as natural as possible. Try not to push your hair back and just follow your hairline. Start from the middle and then work your way to the side. Keep everything consistent. So I'm gonna get into it. Like when you first start doing this, you probably gonna be nervous. You know me, just, you know what I'm saying, stay focused. You know what I'm saying? And then when you get to the vertical bar, just, it should always line up, you know what I'm saying, at the end of your eyebrow. And just go in. It's hard trying to do this because I need to be closer, so I'm finna go in these little trifold mirrors and really do the lining. I'm gonna be back when I'm done. Alright, so I'm back. It's how the liner looking. You know what I'm saying? Nice, straight. Now I'm finna just line on my beard. It don't need that much work, so all I do is just follow the guideline that I already got and just go follow it. So let's get into it. Get on this side. And what I like to do is just trim down my mustache with a number 1. So if your mustache grow thick, cut it down with a number 1 and then stay dark. So you just line it up. And so you take your time. And if you need to go back over an area, just do it. Now you're gonna get this part of your lip. Now, I like to clean under my neck with the Slimline Pros because this blade is not as sharp as the other blade. So I just go under so you knock all them hairs out. I'm glad I regrew my beard out fully because at first I didn't have all this on here. It's a better look to me. Knock all that unnecessary hair off. Then get the back. I'm gonna do this in the mirror though, but you would just line it up because I can't really see. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that real quick. I like to fade my beard into my fade, so just do the same steps. Initial guideline, open, close, number 1, 1/16. So let's get into it. Everything same, so you can just switch back to both sides just to knock it out at the same time. And then remember to brush it down so you can see what the fade doing. Start out at 1/16 part. And you can always go back and just, you know what I'm saying, touch up any spots where you see where you need to fade some more. Probably can get that a little more. Yeah, man, it's not hard. All you gotta do is just practice, just do it. The key thing you wanna know when cutting hair, just start off with higher guards if you're not sure what's going on. Because you can always reduce the guard. You can't grow back your hair, so you don't want to start low. Work your way up. You feel me? So this basically is how the cut turned out, you know what I'm saying? Full transformation, you feel me? Looking brand new, feeling new, you know what I'm saying? So if y'all want to learn how to cut, follow this tutorial. Make sure you play it back, you know what I'm saying, each step. If you need to go back and review a certain part of the tutorial. Yeah, the fade came out clean. As you can see, if you watched any of my videos, I used to do wave videos. Now I'm on a new journey of, you know know what I'm saying, growing out my hair so I can lock up the top. So y'all are gonna be on this journey with me. And if you already in the process of locking your hair too, you know what I'm saying, subscribe, you know what I'm saying, give me any tips. Stay updated with me. I'm gonna be posting more on this channel. I'm really trying to like grow this channel. So if you guys got any like video ideas you want to see on the channel, just comment down below. Make sure y'all like, subscribe, share this video, man. It's your boy KD, and Uncle Merch. You came to the right channel, and I'll get up with y'all in the next video.